Hi, Eileen Bayer, the fam here. Welcome to another video. And in this video, we're going to do a little taste testing from a beer that I won from 21090. Now, the beer is a Dragon's Milk Reserve. It is from 2021, their second batch. And it's 12.3 ABV, which means it's got 12.3% alcohol in it. Now, ABV, in case you didn't know, means alcohol by volume. So, we're going to pour it in my 21090 glass. There we go. You can taste the beer. It's a double bourbon barrel acid stout with Madagascar and Indonesian vanilla beans. So we're going to see how it is. It's got a nice smell to it. I'm going to let it air out by swishing it around. I can smell some of the vanilla in it. Kind of, to me, it tastes like coffee. You can tell the alcohol in it. It doesn't burn your in the mouth, but you can feel it in the stomach, the heat that the alcohol gives. You can definitely taste the beans in it. It's okay. I'm not a real big bourbon drinker, so I normally like a lighter drink, which is why I like the RARs, because they're light. But I promised I would do a taste test on it. It's okay if you like bourbon. It's an excellent bourbon. I'm not normally a bourbon drinker. So I was just happy with this one so I could try it and see if maybe I might like it. I'm not really hip on it. It doesn't really agree with my stomach right now. My stomach feels like it's on fire. But that's okay. So guys, if you're a bourbon drinker, I would recommend the Dragon's Milk Reserve. It is a good bourbon if you do like bourbon. I am not a bourbon drinker. So this glass will probably last me until I go to bed tonight, because I am just going to sip on it and take my time, because like I said, I am not a bourbon drinker. So, what the hell? Guys, hold on for a minute. Something popped up on my computer and I can't get it off. But that is it. I'm trying to get this thing off. There we go. I hope you enjoyed the taste test. I'm going to take one last sip before I go. Hope you all have a good night, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow on 21090.